Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a channel in Slack to organize your team's conversations and keep your projects on track using the updated 2026 interface. Step 1. Locate the plus icon. The entry point for creating any new space in Slack is found right in your sidebar navigation. Look at the left-hand sidebar, find the Channels section header, and click the plus icon next to it. A small menu will appear. Select Create a Channel. This starts the setup wizard where you'll define the purpose and privacy of your new discussion space. In the 2026 layout, this is the quickest way to jump from a messy inbox to a dedicated project home. Step 2. Name and describe your channel. Giving your channel a clear name is essential for keeping your workspace searchable and organized. Enter a channel name using lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens, and add an optional description. For example, use #ProjAlphaLaunch or #TeamMarketing. Use the description field to state exactly what the channel is for, such as tracking all milestones for the alpha product launch. This helps new members understand the channel's goal the moment they join. Step 3. Set privacy and add members. Now you must decide who can see this conversation and invite the relevant teammates to join. Toggle the public or private switch and click Create, then start typing names to add people. Public, anyone in your workspace can find and join this channel. Private, only people you manually invite can see the messages. After clicking Create, you can choose to add all members of workspace name if it's a general announcement channel, or just skip and add specific individuals later if you're still setting things up. And that's pretty much it. To create a channel in 2026, click the plus icon next to Channels in your sidebar, choose a clear name and description, and set the privacy to public or private before inviting your teammates. This keeps your communication structured and ensures the right people have access to the right info. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.